बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। द शेफ्स वे में आबिद शरीफ आपको खुशामदीद कहता है। वेलकम, मरहबा टू माय ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल। तो नाज़रीन, आज हम मौजूद हैं शारजा में। वेजिटेक फार्म है, जदीद वेजिटेबल यहाँ पर रेडी की जा रही है। तो नाज़रीन आइए, आपको यहाँ पर एक रेसिपी भी सैलड की बनाते हैं और साथ में यहाँ पर जो है आपको दिखाते हैं कौन कौन सी वेजिटेबल यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है। और हम मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं मिस फातिमा, यहाँ की सेल्स मैनेजर हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच मिस फातिमा।
Thank you, nice to meet you. Thank you very much. Welcome to our farm.
It's how many square meter this farm?
For Jassim farm, we are 50,000 square meter.
Okay.
Yeah, we have other two farms, Kabir farm and Sheikha farm.
Okay.
Today we will spend the day and enjoying in the Jassim farm.
Okay. So let's go to inside the farm and we will take some vegetable from the inside farm and then we will prepare the salad. So we will go.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Can you please tell to my viewer also in Arabic so they can understand, because of we have also traffic from Arabic.
أكيد أهلا وسهلا بكل متابعين الشيف بالعربي. اليوم احنا بفارم بمزرعة بالشارقة بالزوبير. الفارم هذه يعني احنا بننتج أكثر من 24 برودكت حاليا في مزرعتنا اللي تساوي 50,000 سكوير متر، اللي هي برودكت عضوي وغير عضوي. يعني بتلاقوا عندنا كل شيء واللي تتمناه بطنكم بتلاقوه موجود عندنا. سو اهلا وسهلا فيكم. اليوم بدنا نعمل فيزيت كبير لاور فارم.
तो अभी हम सैलड के लिए जो है यहाँ से कुछ वेजिटेबल मिंट हैं यहाँ पर, वो उतार लेते हैं। तो सर आप थोड़ा सा उतार लीजिए। मैम, एक्सप्लेन अबाउट दिस लैब।
Yeah, this is our lab. So I will let you to try our product today, fresh product, and to make your salad from us. So let's start with the baby kale. This is the baby kale, okay. This is the Lulu Biondo.
Okay.
And this is the chocolate mint.
This is our chocolate mint.
Yeah,
this is something new, you know.
Yeah, this is our magical product in our farm. You can try little and you will feel the mint with the chocolate.
Okay.
Yes. You can. It's organic. You can eat it without anything.
Anything, huh?
Yes, just eat it.
Oh,
and
really?
enjoy
Mashallah,
it.
is a chocolate flavor there in the mint. Now I'm taking some cherry tomato from here, and then I will prepare the salad. Mashallah, looks is very good, and I believe the flavor will come also. Mashallah, good. Inshallah, this is what I take from this lab. We will go for another farm to take some other vegetable, and then we will prepare for you the fresh salad with the Vegetech farm.
Now, surprise! It's a cucumber, fresh cucumber in UAE. Yes.
Okay. We'll go inside. Mashallah.
So I will show. Look. That's ready to eat. Fresh,
it's ready to
tasty,
eat.
and yes.
So guys, we are taking some fresh cucumber from here, and then we will use also cucumber in the salad. Wow, mashallah. This is all is a cucumber, yeah? No?
This is 100% organic fig. You can find it only in Vegetech farm in UAE. You can try it and see.
Wow, mashallah, mashallah.
It's 100% fresh, organic,
guys,
tasty.
it's a mashallah juicy, and you can see, wow. This is only one farm they are producing this one.
For now, yes, we are producing the organic fig only us now. For now.
All over the UAE.
Yes.
Wow, माशाल्लाह। तो गाइज बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट है इसका, और मुझे इन्होंने कहा कि विदाउट क्लीनिंग यू कैन ईट नो प्रॉब्लम, सो आई एम ईटिंग दिस वन। वाओ, इट्स नाइस माशाल्लाह।
Yeah, it's tasty. Yeah.
I believe this is a new something jadid.
Yes, this is the last technology in the farming in the world. So yes, we start with the past, the present, and now this is the future. Let's
go. This is
go.
the future. Let's go, guys, inside. This is something new for you also to visit this place. This is the first farm in Sharjah. We are going to review this farm also now. Okay, let's go. Guys, this is a very interesting for you. This is advanced technology farm which we are going now inside the product. So right now we are here to making ourselves sanitize. Mr. Muhammad, tell us about this farm. This is something different which
Yeah.
is I see first time in my life.
Yeah, this is the one of the advanced farm,
Okay.
and we have one of the biggest farm of indoor vertical in
Okay.
UAE. In this one room, you can see we have around 20,000 plants.
20,000
Yeah,
plants in
that
this room.
yeah in this room, and that we will produce full year.
Okay,
This is the
okay.
indoor vertical farm. You can see
Wow,
there is the
mashallah.
no roots.
Really?
This
Wow.
oasis form we used to grow, put the seeds, and
okay.
there is a fixed nutrition that we are giving to these plants every day, and this light spectrum, this is specially designed
Okay.
to grow the leafy crop. This is
Okay.
actually the 60-watt
Okay.
light, and it is giving 200 flux to this crop.
Now we are going to prepare the two kind of recipe. One is the fig salad and one is the fresh green salad, which is we are going to prepare for you. This is something new which is I bring, yani I go every farm and we bring all vegetable for you, and now we are final touch to go to make a salad. So how we will make the salad, let's go to try, and let's go to start it the salad. So we are going to now make salad. So now we are guys cutting the fig, because of fig is the fresh we bring from the farm, and like that just to make a slice for the fig like that, or we will go to marinate with the some cherry tomato also. We will add some cherry tomato, make slice like that also. Cherry tomato will be in 1/2 or 1/3 as you like. If it's the big, you can make it 3 pieces or 4 pieces. If it's small, you can cut it 1/2. So this is the way how to cut the cherry tomato. Now we are cut it already cherry tomato and some fig, and now I'm going to add some olive oil like that, olive oil, some salt also, and then we put some white pepper. Then I add some pomegranate, and I will mix together with the spoon, or you have hand or whatever you want to. If you are using spoon, you can use also spoon. If you like to use your hand, you can, but make sure you have gloves, because of mashallah, wow, it looks very good. I feel little bit need to drop olive oil, and some of fresh lemon need to put inside the salad like that. And now I'm going to put in the plate. So we have to put some lettuce, added some lettuce from the side in the plate. In your plate must have something down, and then I will go to add some salad like that. It's mashallah, wow, it looks beautiful. Okay guys, so now we are going to make a green salad. We will take some baby roca, green baby roca we will take, and some other lettuce also we will take it, because we are going to prepare now the green salad. So we are going to use all kind of green vegetable and everything, yani green leafy vegetable we are going to use for this salad. And we have also fresh cucumber like that, just make it, and then we will cut it like this, like that. Then we add some Dijon mustard, then we add the salt, then we will add some black pepper like that, then we will add some lemon juice, then I'm going to mix together nicely. So guys, now I'm making my green salad already ready. So now I will add in my plate. So this is all green vegetable. We put all kind of green lettuce and green cucumber, two kind of cucumber I use it for this one. And on the top I will put some olive oil. Guys, I'm till now here in Vegitech farm. Just now I give you the intro to leave this farm. It's my good experience today here, and we share with you the two kind of recipe also. It's a new recipe, and the UAE, United Arab Emirates, is growing now in the farming and also agriculture. Mashallah is very good who is living in this country. They have a fresh vegetable and fresh fruit also. So it's in the very soon in the future you will get it more like this farm in all over the UAE because of now government also supporting to the farmer, and people love to do this work also, and UAE will be inshallah change very soon. So if you like my vlog, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and share with your family and friends. We will bring for you very kind recipe, very good recipe also, and we will bring for you what's going around the world about the food. Thank you very much and have a good day.